Let's see
Well, turn around and look at us, William.
Let's see what you left here.
Yes.
How many scissors? Just rip this apart. Yeah, start right here. Start right here.
Auntie can't see you, buddy.
What is it? What is it?
Yeah, what is it? What is it? What is it? Oh, I know.
Oh, what's that be? It's a tractor.
No way.
How do you get this thing off? Oh, there we go.
What do you say, dog?
What up, dog?
Thank you.
Do you like that?
How does it work? You move it with your hands.
Steer it.
With your hands.
William, do you like that?
Gotta get it and turn it on and steer it.
I want to place it now.
They don't have to do that. You have to wait.
Well, you have to wait. Everyone's opening their presents now.
Right to D-Man. And we all know who that is.
Who's D-Man?
That is such a handsome hat, Connor.
Who's that from, Connor?
Auntie Lynn. And Adeline and William.
What about Uncle Mark?
And Uncle Mark. Good thing. Good thing.
Okay.
Guys. I know. Oh, Nip
Oh, cool.
No one?
Awesome. Now I can put this in my house.
Yeah,
No, it stays at my house, so I can regift it next year.
that's awesome.
What do you say, Connor?
Now we're gonna shoot you some bucks.
Take the paper over to your daddy.
Love
Now
ya.
I can finally shoot my own deer.
That's right.
I want a Nerf gun and shoot.
For you.
Maybe Connor will play it with you. I don't know.
Yeah. Can you play it? I'll play with you. If Dad wants to play it on big screen.
Oh, that top one you are not to open yet. That little one you are not to open yet.
It looks just
Sorry.
like the one in the bar.
You.
I want to win it.
Oh, yeah.
You take the ornament off.
Well, you can't talk about it.
Yeah, I bet we can.
I know.
Can you sit down, please?
Let's see. Here's your name on it.
That was my old one.
Did you hear what she just said? That was my old one, and I didn't like it.
I promise you'll get
Really? I'm a Bobby girl. No, it's like
That's Adeline.
Oh my God. What do you say, Adeline? Who is that?
Nancy? I didn't know they even made one of them. Might have to get your hair curled just Wow.
What do you say?
No, it's like. No, it's like
See, Adeline.
Good job.
Adeline.
I made you.
William.
What is this? I must turn in this to you. I made you. Turn it to
You know that fancy name?
Wow, you guys look.
Okay, Adeline, I want to get a